in flight, and who will be your lover? All your life you've never seen a woman taken by the wind. Would you stay if she promised you heaven? Will you ever win? She's like a cat in the dark, and then she is the darkness. She rolls her life like a fine skylark when the sky is starless. All your life you've never seen a woman taken by the wind. Would you stay if she promised you heaven? Will you ever win? Will you ever win? Rhiannon, Rhiannon, Rhiannon. She rings like a bell in the night, and wouldn't you love to love her? She rules her life like a bird in flight, and who will be your lover? All your life you've never seen a woman taken by the wind. Would you stay if she promised you heaven? Will you ever win? Will you ever win? Rhiannon, Rhiannon, Rhiannon. Taken by the sky. Taken by the sky. Taken by the sky. Dreams unwind and love's a state of mind. 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 Hi, it's Cory, and thank you so much for watching our cover of Rhiannon by Fleetwood Mac. And thank you so much to my husband, Jordan. He hasn't been on the channel in a while, but I thought I would rope him into our October Spooktacular. He hasn't been in a video, actually, I think since like maybe 2 years ago, Halloween.
Yeah, I think it was 2 years ago.
Yeah, we did a mashup of I'll Put a Spell on You and Come Little Children from Hocus Pocus. So we'll make sure to put that in the cards so you can check that out. And he's like killing it on the U bass.
Oh yeah, that was a fun video to do.
Yeah.
And so was this one. I'm happy to be back on finally.
Yeah, so it's always nice to do things with my life partner. We're so weird. This is a super fun song from Fleetwood Mac. Also, it only has 3 chords, and they are some of the easiest chords: C major, F major, and A minor. So if you haven't already checked out the tutorial that I have for this particular song, make sure to check that out. It will be in the cards for sure. That way you can start playing it yourself, like minus the guitar. It will be the ukulele part that I played, but it's very, very easy, super beginner friendly. So definitely check that out. If you're looking for any of the lead sheets or any additional resources that I have on my channel, all those can be located on Patreon. So if you're not already a member of that community, check it out in the description box, and if you're interested, sign up, and I'd love to have you join us. Thank you so much again for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I have lots more videos coming out, so that way you'll never miss one. Thanks so much, and have a great day. Bye.
Bye.